this goes. I'm really skeptical, but let's see how this goes. This was actually a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom townhouse. It is the older style, so it does have the carpet floors and the old brown cabinets and stuff. So this option just was not going to work out for me, but it had great space, so that was a plus. A nice little townhouse. Actually, it was 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom. Downstairs was the living and common space, and upstairs was the bedrooms. The kitchen was nice. It felt really spacious. I did like the fact that it was upstairs and downstairs. The bedroom was pretty okay. Both of the bedroom sizes were a decent size. I just hate the fact that it had carpet throughout. However, that's not really a big make or break deal for me. Okay, I won't lie, this option was one of my top faves. I really liked the layout. It felt very open and spacious. It did have the biggest square footage for the cheapest price, which was a plus, and it looked really, really great on the inside. How much is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom? One plus that I really liked about this place was they made the master bedroom really, really big, other than most standard size bedrooms, and they just made the second bedroom a little bit smaller, which was supposed to be more like an office space, which is exactly what I was looking for. See how this is like the perfect little office space? Okay, so this place hands down has the best amenities. The owner really took his time with making sure all of the decorations and art looks really, really good. The pool was so nice. I really, really liked the pool. They had an outdoor fire pit. The gym was really nice. All the amenities were just super, super nice here, which was a huge plus.
I think next to the men's after like cheese and wine in the evening from 4 to 7, something like that. They have a speaker in here. It's different things each month. Yeah.
Oh, okay. The only thing that I did not like too much about this apartment was just the floor plan. It just didn't feel as open as the other ones did. However, this one did have hardwood floors throughout, and it did also come with a washer and dryer, which is also a plus. I really liked this floor plan. It was very spacious and very open. The kitchen was nice. It had white cabinets and stainless steel appliances. It had hardwood floors, and it was a nice style. It did not come with closet doors, so that was something interesting. Is this the closet?
Yep.
Oh. It
Call it a walkthrough. In the living room and in the bedrooms, you need to provide your own light fixtures, even in the upgraded ones.
Really?
Only way you get away from that is if you go to the new construction.
I like this layout. It feels like a townhouse at the bottom. Nice pool area. Okay, so with this place, number one, it was way out of my budget. This place was about $1,400 for a 2-bedroom. Number two, all of the colors were throwing me off. I really hate a lot of colors, so that was throwing me off as well. But I just wanted to see what they were trying to give for that price, and this just was not it, but hey. Ooh, they got a lot of snacks. Don't mind if I do. Please. Should I try this, y'all? Put it in my pocket.
But these are what we're renovating them to look like.
Okay.
So it's gonna be the same exact what.
So originally this was my top pick because it was so perfect in the pictures. However, when I came to this place, it just was not giving me so much of that wow factor that I originally had. So since I'm not in love, this probably won't be my pick. Plus it's way too far out, but it's still a really nice apartment. Just to give you guys a quick recap, all of the apartments that I looked at today were 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, super affordable if you're looking for something around $1,000. All of them came with 1.5 or 2 bathrooms. So yeah. So we are wrapping up my tour. You guys, I love all these apartments. I really do. It's gonna be a hard decision. It's gonna be hard, but this place is definitely in my budget, so we are going to see.